In this page, I'm continuing my work, but also I notice that I have several um, typos in my work. So I want to show at least how you can remove a couple of those using a handy tool called Find and Replace. So let me place the text more or less as I want, and then I notice, oh, I have this strange character here. I can go to Edit menu and look for Find Change, and then I can I can copy the funny character and replace with the quotation marks that I know are supposed to stay there. And then I want to ask the computer to look for the whole documents. So it found like four more instances of this mistake, and I want to do the same for the closing quotation marks.